Could a parrot be a witness in a Michigan murder case?
Why not?
A murder case in the Grand Rapids area has taken a bizarre twist after the victim's parrot, Bud, was recorded repeating words that the man's family believes it heard just before their son was shot dead. Here's the video.
Can we?
Yeah.
No way.
Next to the stand, I like to call
Mr. Butters. Mr. Butterscotch, do you remember what happened that fateful night? Mr. Butters, could you repeat some of the events you may or may not have witnessed that? If you get that, strike that from the record. No laughing matter, Mr. Butterscotch. I'll remind you again, you're under oath. God damn it. Move to strike.
his court outfit.
like Lou's tie. Oh, yeah.
He's got his little talon spread over the Bible. He's looking at the lady like, you're going down, bitch.
I heard the whole thing.
Who will take that bird now?
No
That just
way.
says that.
That's a narc-ass bird right there.
Yeah, Andy, you don't want that bird.
No, you don't want a talking bird.
Well, my bird would just record me crying all the time.
Yeah. Mine was.
Yeah, what will your bird sound like? Andy?
Oh, God. I'd hate to know what my bird would sound like.
Yeah, well, your bird would probably just be jerking it.
Oh, no. I
It would just
pick up on all sorts of different.
You know.
Oh, I basically live with a bird. Super annoying and just screaming all day. Yep.
What does your bird sound like, Chuck?
Yeah.
That's what your bird would say.
Jesus, bird.
Chuck!
All I hear is,
Brush your teeth! Get up here! Stella, where are you?
and it would, I mean, honestly.
But then you'd hear it everything in double.
All
You'd
yeah,
hear it
two-
twice.
all day.
Yeah.
So you'd hear your
All
wife,
day
and then you'd
long.
hear the parrot.
Yeah.
And even after your wife left, the parrot would still be going.
Just drive it home. Yep. Drive it all home. No. Well, what would happen is I'd have to get rid of the bird eventually. But then some poor family
Oh, they take the bird.
is going to
and
take
then
the bird, and they're
they
just
hear
going to be
all
like,
of it.
CrossFit! Chuck! Get upstairs, your dinner's ready! Rowan! Brush your teeth! Stella! Stella! Stella!
telling you, man.
Yeah, this used to be Chuck the Freak's bird. It's driving me nuts.
You'd never hear it
Don't
say
shut
anything.
up.
It wouldn't even know what I sounded like. It would
Oh,
take
and then
it
bring
would
it in
take-
to work
it would
every
take
day.
2 days max for it to just be an unbearable bird.
Bring it into work, and then
I just
he
put it
has,
right in the corner
follows
here.
you everywhere you go.
Oh,
It
yeah,
would-
because it'd be
you're-
like sit on my shoulder and just be like,
CrossFit! That's a great CrossFit!
it's my parrot. I thought I'd hate him, but he's awesome. But he's got a few issues he's working through.
Stella! Chuck!
It's okay, bird. We're not there right now. You'd live in terror, man.
You
A
couldn't
bird
escape
would be
it.
terrified.
I think you try and let it go free. You'd
I'd be like,
try and get
"Why?
rid of
I wish
it.
I had wings.
Just scare somebody in the woods because they're like,
Yeah.
saw something screaming CrossFit up there.
Yeah, it's just in the middle of the woods. Just like,
I'm gonna kill you!
I think we should go home.
yeah. Just for the humor of it, it isn't a bad idea, especially if there's.
What do you
they're
think
cheap.
would be the 3 phrases your parrot would repeat the most?
Oh, it would be. It'd be the names. Brush your teeth,
Mm-hmm.
And Chuck, get up here! We're waiting for you. Yeah, there's that. We're waiting for you. It'd probably hear my just aloof, my like, yep. Yep. It would pick that up probably. I'm sure I do say something. Okay. Oh, that poor bird would be awesome.